All right, now, as y'all can see, I'm on a rooftop here, and I used to be scared of heights at one point in time, and I don't know what happened where I'm not scared of heights anymore, but you can see I have my ladder here going to this rooftop, and I got my other little ladder over here on this rooftop. But I just wanted to show you this little helpful tip. What I did was, I put a couple screws down right there, not too deep, and I will fill those in with silicone once I pull them up to kind of support my ladder to some degree. Just a small little tip that you can do when you're from rooftop to another rooftop when it comes to being on the rooftop. So that's what I got going on there. Let me know if it's helpful to you guys, and let me know if you try this at home. I wouldn't recommend trying it at home. There's my shadow there. But, you know, just a helpful little tip. 1 minute. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace out.